Good morning, students. So today we are going to see the exercise 3.4 first problem. If sin x is equal to 15 by 17 and cos y is equal to 12 by 13, 0 less than x less than pi by 2, 0 less than y less than pi by 2. Find the value of sin x plus y, cos x minus y, and the third one tan x plus y. Okay, you see that sin x and cos y values are given and your x varies from 0 to pi by 2. So x lies in the first quadrant, also y also lies in the first quadrant. So we have to find the three results. So first I'll take the first one, sin of x plus y. So you have to use the identity. Okay, 6 identities are there, trigonometry identities we are going to use in this exercise 3.4. So sin of xy, you know the formula. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, so in that identity sin x cos y is given. So we have to find out what is cos x and what is sin y. So these two results has to be found. So first cos x you take. So you know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I am going to use that identity. So cos x is equal to square root of 1 minus sin squared x. So cos squared x, if you write, it is 1 minus sin squared x. You need now cos x. So I have written it's a square root of 1 minus sin squared x. So it's a square root of 1 minus, what is sin x? Sin x is 15 by 17. Here what you are having, sin squared x. So 15 by 17 the whole square. So 15 squared is 225 and 17 the whole squared is 289. If you take LCM, the answer is square root of 64 by 289. So when you take the square root, it is 8 by 17. And cos x is equal to 8 by 17. Already you have to check where your x is. X lies in the first quadrant. So everything is positive. So cos x I have found. One more result is needed. What is that? It is sin y. The same identity. Sin y can be written as square root of 1 minus cos squared x. Sorry, cos squared y. So cos y is 12 by 13. So it has to be squared. So 144 divided by 169. If we take LCM, so the answer is square root of 25 by 169. So sin y is equal to 5 by 13. So I have found all the results. You are going to substitute in this. Okay, so see that sin x. So you have to substitute in the first identity. What is that? Sin x. What is sin x? It is given in the problem. That is 15 by 7. And cos y is 12 by 13. So see that 15 by 7 into 12 by 13. And the remaining two results we have found. So cos x is 8 by 17 and sin y is 5 by 13. So it has to be substituted. So when you multiply, it is 15 into 12, 180 divided by 17 into 13, 221. So here 40 by 221. So when you add, you will get 220 divided by 221. So second result, what it is? It is cos of x minus y. So you should know the identity. Cos of alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha, cos beta plus sin alpha, sin beta. So if you know the identity only, you can do the problem. So cos x, cos y plus sin x, sin y. So all the results we know. Okay, so we have to substitute. And what you have to do? So when you add, so you will get 171 divided by 221. And the next one, tan of x plus y. So tan of x plus y. So you know that tan of alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So here you can use tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So tan x, if you want to find, it is sin x by cos x. So tan y means sin y by cos y. In that way also you can do how I have done. It is tan of x plus y can be written as sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y I have found, it is 220 divided by 221. And cos of x plus y we didn't find. But cos of x minus y answer is here. So if cos of x plus y comes, what is the small change? Here you will have minus. So Here you will get minus for cos of x plus y. So here also you are having minus. So it's 96 minus 75, that is 21. So 21 by 221. So I have done in this way. So you can use either tan of alpha plus beta or in this way. So 221 getting cancelled. So your answer is 220 divided by 21. Okay. So we'll go to the next problem. What is that? Fourth one. Find sine of x minus y. Find sine of x minus y, given that sine x is equal to 8 by 17 and your x is, varies from 0 to pi by 2. So x lies in the first quadrant. And cos y is equal to minus 24 by 25 with pi less than y less than 3 pi by 2. Pi is what? 180. 3 pi by 2 is what? 270. So 180 to 270, it lies in the third quadrant. So see the difference. X lies in the first quadrant and your y lies in the third quadrant. So using ASTC rule, in the third quadrant, tan and cot theta are positive. So the remaining you have to write minus. So first thing you have to keep in your mind. What is asked in this problem? Sine of x minus y. So use the identity sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So in that what you are having? Sin x is there, cos y is it is given. So you have to find these two. As usual, cos x is formula square root of 1 minus sine squared x. So you have to substitute. Sin x is what? 8 by 70. So when you square it is 64 by 289. You have to take LCM. So this is the answer. If you take square root, it is 15 by 17. Yeah, I have written cos x is positive. Why? Your x lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. So cos x is also positive. So for this identity, you need one more result, that is sin y. Sin y, how to find? It's a square root of 1 minus cos squared y. So what is cos y? Minus 24 by 25. So when you square, this minus will become plus. So it is 24 the whole squared is 576 and 25 the whole squared is 625. If you take LCM, it is a square root of 49 by 625. So it is 7 by 25. But your y lies in the third quadrant. Upper sin y is negative. So you should not write 7 by 25. You have to write minus 7 by 25. Because in the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Here you are having sin y. So you have to write minus. So we have found all the results. So it has to be substituted here. What is sin x? It is given 8 by 17. What is cos y? It is minus 24 by 25. In between you have to write minus. It is in the formula. So cos x. Cos x is 15 by 17 and sin y is what it is? Minus 7 by 25. So if you simplify, you will get the answer as minus 192. So 8 into minus 24 is minus 192 divided by 17 into 25 is 425. And here minus into minus plus 15 into 7 is 105 divided by 425. So if you subtract, so your answer is minus 87 by 425. Okay, come to the fifth problem. Now find the value of cos 105 degree, sin 105 degree and tan 7 pi by 12. Okay, first we'll go for cos 105 degree. This 105 degree can be written as 60 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, now it is in the form of what? Cos of alpha plus beta. So you have to use the identity. So what is cos of alpha plus beta? Cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta. So cos alpha, alpha is 60 degree and cos beta, so cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree, sin 45 degree. So you should know cos 60 degree value. So already I told you to use the left hand. Okay, so it is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So 60 degree means you just fold this hand, fold this finger. Okay, so cos means it's a square root of number of fingers above. So how much it is? 1. 1 square root of 1 divided by 2. So that is 1 by 2. Cos 45 degree. In the same way, this is cos 45 degree. Above that, how many fingers are there? It is 2. So it is root 2 divided by 2. So if you simplify, your answer is 1 by root 2. And sine 60 degree. So you know that it is root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So if you take LCM, if you multiply 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So if we take LCM, LCM is 2 root 2. So we have to add the numerator, that is 1 minus root 3. In the same way, you have to find sine 105 degree. Sine 105 degree. 105 degree can be split as 60 degree plus 45 degree. Again it is in the form of sine alpha plus beta. So sine alpha cos beta, you have to use the identity, plus cos alpha sine beta. So in the place of alpha 60 degree, in the place of beta you have to substitute 45 degree. And the angles ratios has to be, trigonometric ratios has to be found. Okay, so sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So you have to multiply and you have to take LCM. So this is the answer. Tan 7 pi by 12. So pi, what is it? It is 180 degree. Okay, so 180 pi is 180. So 180 degree by 12. So if you simplify, it is tan 105 degree will come. So 7 pi by 12 is nothing but tan 105 degree. Okay, so tan 105 degree is nothing but sine 105 degree divided by cos 105 degree. So sine 105 degree we have found, yes or no? And cos 105 degree, it is in the first subdivision. What is it? 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So it has to be substituted here. And this 2 root 2 getting cancelled. So you are reminding us root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to multiply and divide by the conjugate. So it is 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. So see the numerator, if you multiply root 3 plus 1, 1 plus root 3, both are same. So you can write root 3 plus 1 the whole square. Go for the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So you have to use the algebraic identity. What is that? A square minus b square. So that is 1 minus 3. So here you have to use a plus b the whole square. So a square, root 3 the whole square. So root 3 the whole square is 3. The square and the square root getting cancelled. So 3 plus b squared is 1 plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 divided by minus 2. What is the 3 plus 1? It is 4. 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. So 4 by minus 2 is minus 2, and this 2 getting cancelled. So you are having minus root 3. So from this term minus is common. If you take it out, it is 2 plus root 3. That is the value of tan 105 degree. Okay, come to the problem number 6. What is it? Prove that first subdivision cos of 30 degree plus x is equal to root 3 cos x minus sin x divided by 2. And the second one, cos of pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sin of pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. The third subdivision you have to try on your own. Come to the first subdivision. Cos of 30 degree plus x. So it is in the form of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta. So you have to use the trigonometry identity. Cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta. So in the place of alpha you are having 30 degree. In the place of beta you are having x. So cos 30 degree cos x minus sin 30 degree sin x. So cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 into cos x. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin x. So if you multiply and take LCM, the LCM is 2. So it is root 3 cos x minus sin x divided by 2. So we have proved the result. And you see that cos of pi plus theta. So in the previous exercise, it is pi is nothing but 180 degree. So 180 degree plus theta. So 180 plus theta, it lies in the third quadrant. So third quadrant cos is negative. So you have to write minus. And next it is an even multiple of 90 degree. So you can write cos theta. So but here I have used the trigonometry identity. It is in the form of cos alpha plus beta. What is your alpha now? It is pi. What is your beta? It is theta. So I am going to use the trigonometry identity here. So cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So in the place of alpha, pi is written. In the place of beta, theta is written. Cos pi, it is minus 1 because 0 degree and 180 degree are opposite. Cos 0 is 1. So cos 180 degree is minus 1. So minus 1 cos theta minus sin pi is 0. 0 into sin theta. So minus 1 into cos theta is minus cos theta. So third subdivision you have to try. Okay. So come to the seventh problem. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. So you have to write the quadratic equation having the roots sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. So the quadratic equation, how it will be? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it's a quadratic equation. Okay. So in that, sum of the roots. What are the roots here? You are having sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. So you have to add it. This is the sum of the roots. And the product of the roots is sin 15 degree into cos 15 degree. So first we have to find the value of sin 15 degree. The sin 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree, because 45 degree and 30 degree we know the values of sine, cos and tan. So 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. How it is? It is in the trigonometry identity, sine of alpha minus beta. Sine of alpha minus beta, what is the formula? Sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, so in the place of alpha 45 degree is substituted. In the place of beta 30 degree is written. Okay, so you have to substitute the value. Sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So if you take LCM, 2 root 2, so the answer is root 3 minus 1. In the same way, cos 15 degree can be written as cos of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So again it is in the form of cos alpha minus beta. So cos alpha, cos beta plus sin alpha, sin beta. So the values are substituted and you will get the answer as root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So to write the quadratic equation, we need the sum of the roots. So sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree is written. So we have to take LCM. The LCM is 2 root 2. So the numerator has to be added. So which one? Minus 1 and plus 1 getting cancelled. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 getting cancelled. So root 3 by root 2. So it is in the square root. So I multiply and divided by root 2. So in the numerator you are having root 6 divided by 2. The next one, sin 15 degree cos 15 degree has to be multiplied. That is because we need the product of the roots. So when you multiply, you look at the numerator, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, so it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So you have to use the formula a squared. What is a? Root 3. Root 3 the whole squared is 3 minus b squared is 1. 2 2s are 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 4 into 2. 2 getting cancelled, your answer is 1 by 4. So here what we have found? We have found the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So now what is asked? It's a quadratic equation. What is the formula? X squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So x squared is written minus sum of the roots is what? Root 6 divided by 2 into x plus product of the roots is 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Take LCM. What is the LCM? 2 and 4. It's 4 is the LCM. So this number has to be, this term has to be multiplied with 4. So 4x squared minus 2 root x root 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. So this is the quadratic equation. 4x squared minus 2 root 6 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, coming to the problem number 8. What is it? Expand cos of a plus b plus c. Hence prove that cos a, cos b, cos c is equal to sin A, sin B, cos C plus sin B sin C cos A plus sin C sin A cos B if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. So what is the given result? A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. First I am going to consider that A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means it is 90 degree. So the C, when you take it to here, it will become minus C. So first you have to expand cos of A plus B plus C. Okay, so I applied cos on both the sides. So it will become cos of A plus B is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus C. So cos of A plus B is equal to, see that cos of 90 minus theta is what? It is sin theta. So here you are having sin C. So I have obtained cos of A plus B as sin C. So now what is the first result is asked? Expand cos of A plus B plus C. So cos of A plus B plus C is taken. It has to be grouped as cos of A plus B plus C. So A plus C I just put within the bracket. So now it is in the form of cos of, this is alpha plus beta. So what is your alpha now? A plus B. But cos of alpha plus beta, what is the formula? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So what is your alpha? I have told it is A plus B. So in the place of alpha you have to substitute A plus B. In the place of beta, C has to be substituted. Okay, minus sin A plus B into sin C. Cos A plus B, what we have found it is? We have found it is sin C. So in the place of cos A plus B, I have substituted sin C, cos C minus sin of, you see that A plus B, what I have written? A plus B, it is pi by 2 minus C into sin C. Now it is in how it is? Sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So sin pi by 2 minus C sin C. So here you are having cos C into sin C. So both terms are same. In between you are having subtraction. So that is equal to 0. So what is cos of A plus B plus C? That is equal to 0. Next you have to prove that this result. Okay, so for that I'll consider cos of A plus B plus C. What is it? Cos of A plus B plus C. Look at this now. Again it can be written as cos of A plus B plus C. Okay, so I have taken it is cos of alpha plus beta. So what it is? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, ma'am. See, cos A plus B, it just expand now. What is cos A plus B? Again, it is in the form of cos of alpha plus beta. So, it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into cos C. Okay, minus sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B can be written as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin C. Why it is into sin C? You see here it is given, so into sin C. So see that here cos A cos B into cos C. Okay, the three terms has to be multiplied. And next one what will be? Minus sin A sin B cos C. Okay, so you come to here, this minus is common to both the terms. So minus sin A cos B into sin C minus into plus minus cos A sin B into sin C. So see the three terms, they are in minus. So when you take it to the right side, it will become plus. But what is in the left side? You are having cos A, cos B, cos C. So we have, what the result we have to prove? We have proved it. Okay, look at this. So all the three terms are in minus. When you take it to the right side, it will become plus. So the left side you are having is what? Cos A, cos B, cos C. This is the result is asked. Okay, so we'll come to the next problem. That is what? Problem number 9. So prove that I have taken the second subdivision. Sin 30 degree plus theta plus cos 60 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 30 degree plus theta. So you have to use the trigonometry identity sine of alpha plus beta. So sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. So if you know the trigonometry identity, it is very easy. So in the place of alpha, it is 30 degree. In the place of beta, it is theta. So sine 30 degree, you know very well, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cos theta plus cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 sin theta. So 2 is the LCM. So the numerator is cos theta. Here the numerator is root 3 into sin theta. So first term we have found. Take the second term, cos of 60 degree plus theta. It is in the form of cos alpha plus beta. So cos alpha plus beta formula is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Again the values are substituted. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. And if you simplify, cos of 60 degree plus theta is this. So what you have to do, you have to add these two results. So this result and this result has to be added. What is in the denominator? Denominator is 2. So the here also the denominator, the LCM is 2. So we have to add the numerator. So what it is? Cos theta plus root 3 sin theta plus cos theta minus root 3 sin theta. Plus root 3 sin theta and minus root 3 sin theta getting cancelled. Cos theta plus cos theta is 2 cos theta divided by 2. 2 getting cancelled. Your answer is cos theta. So we have proved the result. So come to the problem number 10. If a cos x plus y is equal to b cos x minus y, show that a plus b tan x is equal to a minus b cot y. Okay, see now what is the given result? This is the result I had taken it. So a into cos x plus y identity is used. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So here is equal to b into cos of x minus y identity is used. So cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And this a has to be multiplied. A cos x cos y minus a sin x sin y, which is equal to b into cos x cos y plus b into sin x sin y. See that here cos x cos y, here also cos x cos y is common. Both the terms left side as well as right side, you are having the term. So what I am going to do, I am going to take this a should not come. See, cos x cos y I have taken out. So in the left side you are having a, and in the right side you are having the term having the coordinate b. Sorry. So cos x cos y into b. So if you bring it to the left side, it will become minus b cos x cos y. From that, cos x cos y is taken out. Now what is remaining? Minus b. Okay. So bring this minus term to the right side, it will become plus. So from these two terms, sin x sin y is taken out. So here you are having b. When you bring this term to the right side, it will become plus. So it is b plus a. Okay, so a minus b into cos x cos y is equal to a plus b into sin x sin y. Bring this. Okay, so here a minus b, here cos y, you keep it here, and this sin y, if you bring it to the left side, it is in the denominator. The same way, a plus b, sin x is kept as it is. Bring this cos x to the right side, it will come in the denominator. What is cos y divided by sin y? You know it is cot y. Sin x by cos x is tan x. So see that this is the result we have to prove. A plus b into tan x is equal to a minus b into cot y. So we have proved it. Here you see how to bring. So you look at your the result, what you have to prove. Okay, a minus b into cot y. So a minus b has to be multiplied with the y term. So a minus b, here you kept the y as it is. Bring this y term to the left side. And see that a plus b into tan x. A plus b is multiplied with x term. So a plus b into sin x, you kept it along with a plus b. Bring this cos x to the next side. So it will come in the denominator. So you we have proved what the result is asked. Okay, coming to the problem number 12. Prove that sine 75 degree minus sine 15 degree is equal to cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. Okay, see that sine 75 degree minus 15 sine 15 degree. The 75 degree is written as 45 degree plus 30 degree. The same way 15 degree is written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. You have to use the trigonometry identity. Sin alpha plus beta is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. What is your alpha? 45 degree. What is your beta? 30 degree. In between you are having minus. Here you have to apply the formula sin alpha minus beta. Only change is minus. Okay. Apply the minus to both the term. So minus sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus into minus plus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. So these two getting cancelled because both are same. One is in plus, another one is in minus. So these two getting cancelled. So when you add these two, it is 2 cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. Substitute the value. Cos 45 degree is what? 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. The 2 getting cancelled. The left hand side, you are having the value 1 by root 2. The same way, take the right hand side. What you have having? Cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. This 105 degree is written as 60 degree plus 45 degree. 15 degree, here this 15 degree I have written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. The same 15 degree I can use 60 degree minus 45 degree. Okay, because 105 degree I have written using 60 degree and 45 degree. The same way here 15 degree can be written as cos 60 degree minus 45 degree. Here I have to use the formula cos alpha plus beta. So cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Same thing. Here cos of alpha minus beta. So what's the difference? Here in between you are having plus. So the second term and the fourth term getting cancelled. If you add these two terms, you will get 2 cos 60 degree cos 45 degree. So the values has to be substituted. This 2 and this 2 getting cancelled. So you are having 1 by root 2. So the left hand side also value is 1 by root 2 and the right hand side value also 1 by root 2. So we have from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have proved the result what is asked. Sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree is equal to cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. Okay, there is another method to solve this problem. You take the right hand side. What is given? Cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. Okay, this 105 degree I have taken as, I have written in terms of 90. So 90 plus 15 degree, here 90 minus 75 degree. Okay, because why I have chosen 15 degree and 75 degree now? In the left side, in terms of sine, you are having sine 75 degree minus sine 15 degree. So the angle is 75 degree, 15 degree. So that's why 105 degree is written as 90 plus 15 degree. And 15 degree is written as 90 degree minus 75 degree. So see that it lies in 90 plus some acute angle. Okay, so 15 degree. So see now. So 90 plus 15. So it lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So I have written minus. So what multiple? It is an odd multiple of 90 degree. If odd multiple comes, you have to change the cos as sine. So your answer is sine 15 degree. And here the same way 90 degree minus 75 degree. So 90 degree minus 75 degree is what? 15 degree. 15 degree lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. So here I have written plus. And you see that it is an odd multiple of 90 degree. So you have to write the co-ratio. That is cos has to be written as sine. So sine 75 degree. So that is the left hand side. We have proved the result. Okay, generally it is asked, yeah, any method can be used. Okay, so come to the 13th problem. Show that tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree is equal to 4. So tan 75 degree, the 75 degree can be written as 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now it is in the form of tan of alpha plus beta. What is tan alpha plus beta? Formula is tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So alpha 45 degrees is substituted. In the place of beta 30 degrees written. So you have to substitute the value. Tan 45 degrees 1 plus tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree 1 into 1 by root 3. So here if you take LCM, so root 3 plus 1 by root 3, 1 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. If you take LCM, 1 into root 3 is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. This root 3 getting cancelled. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. And go for cot 75 degree. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. You know very well. So tan 75 degree we have found, just reciprocated. So it is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. What is asked in the question? Both has to be added. So tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. So if you add, you have to take LCM. What is LCM? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So you have to multiply root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So that is root 3 plus 1 the whole square. Just taking LCM. Plus root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, see the numerator, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a squared, what is a squared? Root 3 the whole square. What is root 3 the whole square? That is 3. Next, plus b squared. So b is 1. So 1 squared is 1. Plus 2ab, 2 root 3. In the same way, root 3 minus 1 the whole square. The only difference is minus 2ab. So 2 root 3 divided by, you look at your denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So that is a squared minus b squared. So root 3 the whole square is 3 minus 1. So plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 getting cancelled. What is 3 plus 1? 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So therefore tan 45 degree plus cos 70, tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree, that is equal to 4. Thank you students.